Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, and we are in term 2 now. We are starting the syllabus of term 2. Few chapters will be there from unit test 2 as well. Okay, and we have selected chapter 22, simple linear equation. So this concept is for the first time, so please pay attention. All right, it's easy. Once you understand the concept, it's very easy. Let's see. A mathematical statement which shows that two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. A mathematical statement which shows two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. See, equation relates with equal to sign. So this is first algebraic expression and this is second algebraic expression along with equal to sign. So when one algebraic expression is equal to second algebraic expression, we say an equation is formed. Now in algebraic expression, you have only dealt with simplify, evaluate, in which there was no is equal to sign. Now here you will have is equal to sign in between two equations. Sorry, in between two algebraic expressions. You can see x minus 7 is equal to 7 minus x. Why this is called an equation? Because it has is equal to sign in it. Okay, if I simply write only this part, x minus 7, then this will be considered as algebraic expression. Okay, and when is equal to sign comes between two algebraic expression, we say that they form an equation. Okay, now let us see the second point. An equation is said to be a linear equation. Linear equation is important if it contains only one variable. Variable means literal, that is alphabets A to Z, any type of small alphabet with highest power 1. Okay, so an equation is said to be linear equation if it contains only one variable. Now you can see here example, x plus 5 is equal to 10. Now if I have taken this example, x plus 5 is equal to 10, why it is called linear equation? First point, because it has only one variable. It has only one variable. Which is that variable? You can see here x is the first variable. One and only one variable. And second, with highest power 1. What is its power? Nothing is there. Means it is considered as 1. So what is linear equation? Linear equation, it will have one is equal to sign. Second thing, it will have only one variable, one type of variable or one variable. And second thing, it will have highest power of 1. Means the degree of this expression will be always, this equation will be always 1. Or we say the variable will have 1 as its index or exponent or power. Okay. Now, let us see how to solve a linear equation. So the first type we are going to see is this type. X plus a is equal to b. Now you will say what is written, I am not understanding. Let's see what it is. So first type is solving an equation of the form x plus a is equal to b. Here x will be taken as variable x and a and b will have some numbers arranged in him. Okay, so here see x plus a is equal to b. We have taken example x plus 5 is equal to 10. So here instead of a I have taken 5, instead of b I have taken 10, x as it is. So this is a linear equation. Why it is called linear equation? Because it has one variable, one equal to sign, and highest power is also 1. Nothing is there means 1. Okay, now let us see how to solve. Now there are two methods to solve. First method is, so before starting the method, let us see what is the meaning of solving an equation. Solving an equation here means to solve for x. because here x is the variable. So you have to find value of x. If y is there, you have to find value of y. If z will be there, you will be finding value of z. So x plus 5 is equal to 10 is my linear equation. I have to solve it for x, means I want value of x. Now how I'll get value of x? First thing you have to do is you have to keep only x at LHS. Now you will say how to keep x at LHS. LHS means is equal to signs left side is called LHS and is equal to signs right side is called right hand side. RHS means right hand side. LHS means left hand side. Okay. So what is the issue here? The issue is I have to cancel, or I have to keep only x to LHS and rest all the things I should transpose to RHS. So transposition we will see later on, that is the second method. First I have to keep this x alone in LHS. Now you will say how to do it. For that, first method is whatever here the integer is. For example, x plus 5 is equal to 10 is my equation. So here plus 5 I don't want. I want to remove it. So what can I do? I can, since plus 5 is there, what I will do is I'll take is opposite integer, that is minus 5. What is opposite integer of plus 5? Minus 5. When I take minus 5, plus 5 and minus 5 will be cancelled. Okay, and then I'll get only x to LHS. But these things we can't do only at one side. If I am adding, I should add both LHS and RHS. If I am subtracting, both LHS and RHS. If I am multiplying or dividing, both LHS and RHS. Now my first thing is I don't want here plus 5. So what I'll do, since it is plus 5, I'll subtract minus 5. I'll minus 5 here, means plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 10 minus 5. So what I have included in the second equation here, instead of now x plus 5 as it is, I have added minus 5. I have subtracted minus 5. I have subtracted 5. Why? Because I want to cancel plus 5 with minus 5. I want x alone in LHS. So since what is opposite of plus 5? Minus 5. So minus 5 should be done in LHS and RHS, so that to keep this x alone here. Okay. So what I have done is I have written minus 5, here minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 gets cancelled. And here 10 minus 5. See, x plus 5 minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 got cancelled. So x remain as it is, means I'll cancel here so that there is no confusion. So x as it is equal to 10 minus 5, 5. Understood? And let us see the second method. Second method is transposition method. Means to transfer. Transfer means to shift. Now this is the general method which we follow. This also you can follow, but this is the general method which is considered easy, and like generally we follow this method. So this is also allowed and this also is allowed, depending on which method you feel is convenient. Okay. So let us see, x plus 5 is equal to 10. So what I'll do is, as I told you, I have to keep x alone in LHS by, now in this case, by transposing. What to transfer? Now with x what is there? Plus 5 is there. So what I'll do is I'll transpose this plus 5 to RHS. So when I transpose plus 5 to RHS, plus 5 should become minus 5. Means positive integer when get transposed to LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS, plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Remember this thing. Plus 5 will become here minus 5. What I have done here, I have transposed, I have shifted this plus 5 to RHS, right hand side. So plus 5 became minus 5. So plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Multiply becomes division. Division becomes multiply. This we will study timely. Okay, so here plus 5 got shifted to RHS, it became minus 5. So now plus 5 is not there here because it is shifted here. So x will remain as it is. 10 plus 5 become minus 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, so answer will be same in both the cases. Now let us solve few example from exercise 22a in the form x plus a is equal to b. Now this is x plus a is equal to b form. Means plus a. Now let us see. Let us not confuse further. X plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. X plus 2 is equal to 6. I told you I don't want plus 2 here. So what I'll do, since plus 2 is there, I'll write its opposite integer. So plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 2. So this minus 2 I have written on LHS and RHS so that this plus 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so plus 2 with minus 2 gets cancelled. I get only x, and 6 minus 2 is 4. Alright, now let us see the same example with transpose method. X plus 2 is equal to 6. So plus 2 I have transposed to RHS. So x remains as it is equal to as it is, only plus 2 has changed its side. It plus 2 becomes minus 2. So 6 minus 2, 4. What is the key is whenever you are transposing anything, any number from left to right or right to left, change the sign. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. That's the key. Okay, and you have to keep this x alone at LHS, and rest of the things you will transpose to RHS by changing its sign. Right? So second one, I have given homework. So please do it. Same method, any one method you can apply. It's not that both the methods, but both methods are easy. So let us see which you feel is easy. Now third example, y plus 8 is equal to 5. Now I don't want plus 8. I want to remove it because my target is to find out y. So plus 8, what I'll do? Take opposite of plus 8, that is minus 8. So y plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 5 minus 8. Alright. So plus 8 minus 8 gets cancelled, and 5 minus 8 you know is minus 3. Now same thing by transposition we will see. Y I have kept as it is, and this plus 8 I have shifted, I have transposed to RHS. I told you, when you are transposing, you should change its sign. So plus 8 becomes minus 8. So 5 minus 8 is minus 3. I hope you are understanding, and for today this much is enough, and please practice. It's very important. This is there as it is next year also in 7th standard. Alright. So thank you so much, and please complete your notes from day 1. Thank you and take care.